How to fix Instagram tag not working. Hello guys, so in this short video or this short tutorial I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram tag. So all what you have to do guys is very simple. Go down to the settings on your phone and then go to the apps, and now go to the apps right here, scroll until you find the Instagram app between all those apps and then click on it like this. Now the first thing you have to do is go to the storage, click here and click on this clear data option and then click on clear cache. Now the last thing you have to do is just go to this data usage option and scroll down, make sure to enable all those options right here and then go back, click on this force stop, and now the last thing you have to do is restart your phone and then reopen Instagram and the problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the very end. See you later.